Zulu?
Zulu, that's the easiest one.
So everybody here speaks Zulu?
The common language. Some they speak Xhosa, the clicking language. Some they speak Zulu, some they speak Sotho. I don't know, can you say in the Mukaba Njengaqable vinegar? Can you say that?
Say that
It's a
again?
clicking language. Ndingumqabaqaba njengaqable vinegar.
Try say it.
Qabaqaba njengaqable vinegar. That's a clicking one.
How y'all do that?
Yeah, like that.
Yo,
How do y'all do that?
Say Speedy, you're welcome in South Africa.
welcome in South Africa.
Hosa. That is the Q. Q is the bottom click.
Yeah.
Bottom click is, that's the Q. And then the C is the click behind your teeth. That's the C. You see? So Hosa is on the side click. Q is the bottom click. And then
then C is
behind the teeth is,
He must just
you
say
see?
I'm not.